How's the salad? So you have to try it now.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to Hillcrest Community Center, and there is actually a restaurant inside this community center, and they have a very good kinds of salad inside. So let's try their salad. So let's go inside. Let's go. I'm good.
What can I get for you today?
Okay, I actually come to get a salad today here in
What kind of salad?
Blue Parrot Coffee.
Black
So,
beans and artichokes.
can I get a half and half?
Half and half. Salad?
Yeah, half and half. Can you put it in a separate container, please? So Rose is actually my friend here, a long time friend. So yeah. So this is actually the Blue Parrot Coffee. It's really beautiful in here. So Hillcrest Community Center, they actually have different facilities. They have ice rink, they have swimming pool, indoor swimming pool, they have gym, they have what you call it? I don't know what you call it, but it's Teng, what do you call it? Doon sa doon sa sport na nagkaganon. Oh, curling.
Yeah. So half and half salad, and would you like something to drink?
Yeah, can I get a coffee, please? 2 cream and 1 sugar. Thank you. So later I'm gonna show you what's inside this salad. This is actually really good. This is actually one of my favorite salad here. Black bean salad. Mamimili pala muna. Sige na nga, mag-10%.
He was working here. Do you remember him? Where mommy used to manage the technical. He's the one who opened it.
Right?
Enjoy your salad. So, what time do you want?
I'm gonna sit here. Then where I'm gonna get the cream and
Oh,
sugar?
just right there. Oh my god.
In the same place, huh? I'm actually going to pour some milk and sugar in my coffee. So, guys, this is actually their condiments bar. So they have utensils, milk, cream, and sugar. So it's complete.
How's the salad?
I haven't tried yet.
So you have to try it now.
Who
But
made this
100% it's good. That's why you keep coming back. So that one is artichoke salad and the black bean salad. So one of the best here at Blue Parrot Hillcrest only. That's what that's what I get for my lunch. So everything that you get from this video will go to Rosalie. How is it? Good? Ting tumaba ka, Ting. Ako din eh. Hindi na ako nakaka-G. Good? 2 thumbs up? What can you say?
It's so good.
So
This is
you-
actually my favorite.
I know.
The black bean salad. Oh guys, because I enjoyed so much this salad, look what happened. I finished everything. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.
Come and visit us, Kamo.
Come and visit Blue Parrot Coffee. And can I get a strawberry, please?
Would you like some sprinkle?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
There you go. Thank you. Ang kulit eh.